This video looks at one way to use the default keyword in Java. If we just have a look at the code we've got on screen here, we've got a little program that asks the user for the number corresponding to the day of the week, with 1 through to 5 being weekdays and 6 and 7 representing Saturday and Sunday, so the weekend. One issue we have here is that if the user types something that is not valid, we will not have any output to tell them. So if we run our code and we put in a valid value such as 2, a Tuesday, it will say it's a weekday. Similarly, if we run it again and put in a 6 for the weekend, so a Saturday, but if I put in a 9, nothing is printed out. And what default does is it allows us to determine some code that will be executed if none of the case statements within the switch statement are met. So we can add a break statement to the case 6 and 7, so it doesn't automatically fall through, because if we were to leave that out, we'd also get what we have for default printing out for 6 and 7. We can then add our default clause, and what we'll do for that is we're going to say system.out.println, and we'll print not a valid day of the week. So in this instance, the alignment is not ideal here, but what we can do is see, let's realign that, reformat code. There we go. We can see that if we run it now and we put in an invalid 88, for example, we get not a valid day of the week. So just to recap, the default keyword in the context of a switch statement allows us to provide some code that will run in the event that none of the other cases are met, or indeed that a previous case is met and the code falls through due to a lack of a break statement.